Okay, so we continue with laws of Shabbos, and our big topic that we didn't finish is Hadlakas Neiros. So we said how many, not how many, all the laws about the candles. Of course, how many candles, the reason for the candles, and lights and electricity, and we say how you combine two of them, and you make a blessing, of course, on electric light as well as the candles. So we'll discuss an olive oil, also very nicely lit, and it's burning beautifully. Last thing that we discussed, number of the candles. Okay, so we continue with new material, and the topic is if one forgets to light. If one forgets to light Shabbos candle, she must light one additional candle for every subsequent Shabbos from then on. This is to stress upon her that the Hadlakas Neiros is very important mitzvah, and she must therefore be very vigilant in the future. Others explain the additional candle to mean to atone for her having forgotten to light. So, okay, so let's try to understand. So before we continue, so if a woman forgets to light the candles, of course, if it was her fault, so like if it was beyond her control, for example, the baby was sick, I don't know, she was got stuck in traffic, I don't know, something like out of her control. So when you're going home on Fridays, right, and you, especially in the summer where people going out of town on Friday for the weekend, so you have to allow yourself extra time. How much extra time? Maybe 50% of the extra time. So if it's maybe, I don't know, maybe more than 50, maybe double. So it usually takes you 1 hour to get home, plus minus. So you give yourself 2 hours just in case. You never know. Maybe 2.5 hours. That would be proper. So, but if she gave herself only one usual hour, as she would do on Monday, so of course it's her fault, right? So if a woman forgets to light a candle on one Shabbos, she has to add one candle. So, for example, she was lighting 2 candles, right? And from then on, she would, until the rest of her life, she would add 1 extra candle, right? That's the way to remember not to do it again. So every time that she would light this 3rd candle, she would remember that's because I messed up that line, right? So others explain it's like what does they call it, like atonement for her. So with men it's a little easier, but let's see. However, if she did not light because of circumstances that were out of her control and was completely not her fault, there is no need to add additional candle. One must ask halakhic authority if the particular situation falls into this category. And I remember somebody came to me, and then she knew the halacha, and she knew the answer to her question. And this lady was like pushing, like that she wanted me to say that it was not her fault, even though it was her fault 100%. As we said, the example was if usually it takes you like 1 hour to get home, so give yourself 1.5 hours, 2 hours at least, like minimum of the, especially in the summer months. So, but if she like ignores the advice, it gives herself like 55 minutes. For sure, she's going to get late. So that's very interesting. So that's why they say. So you many times people don't say problem in themselves. That's why they say ask halakhic authority, who tell you like hear your case out and tell you what to do. Continue. So since this book is only for women. I think, if I remember correctly, men would not need to add another candle if he forgets. Okay, but women do.